Hi everybody, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure on how to recover old Telegram account. Now you need to understand that you cannot recover a permanently deleted Telegram account, but can create a new account with the same phone number through all the chat history and media will be, though all the chat history and the media will be lost. Now if your account was frozen or hacked, you could try login from a linked device or contact Telegram support through the app or the website to get assistance. Now you could just go ahead and open up your browser and on the search bar type in Telegram support and click on the first link that comes. When you click on it, you could see this section. So you have to send a ticket. So first of all, you have to describe what your problems are, your full legal name that is associated with your ID as well as your Telegram account, your email address associated with your Telegram as well as a phone number associated with Telegram. After which you need to go ahead and select a reason, give following options and all that, and basically provide in all the detailed information and see what can be done. So you could get a response within 24 to 48 hours, and that's how it works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.